everyone. This is Dr. Pooja Chaturvedi from Rabindranath Tagore University. Today we're going to discuss distribution strategies for rural markets. The meaning of distribution strategies and rural market was covered in previous videos, so you can refer from there. Here we'll cover under this topic the concept, reasons why to increase the distribution channels in the rural markets, obstacles of rural market, or you can see the problem of rural markets, traditional method of distribution strategies, development of retailers for the rural market, the emergence of modern retail to promote the retailer in the rural market, and with the conclusion. So here the total 60 lakh outlets in the urban and rural areas. The 36 lakh retail outlets are spread over 6 lakh villages. The companies need substantial amount of working capital and large dedicated sales force are required for the rural market especially. Here, tell the reasons why to increase distribution channels in rural markets. Because whereas 80% of the finished goods are purchased from the nearby towns and cities, and as per the RMAI retail study, the tendency to shop from the nearby town city is high among consumers residing within a 25-kilometer periphery or in villages close to the nearby highways. Therefore, market needs to ensure product availability at the right time and right places to generate the rural sales. So these are the reasons why to increase distribution channels in the rural markets from these aspects. Here some problems to reach the rural consumers. The distribution chain requires a large number of distribution channels, non-availability of dealers in the rural market, the poor viability of retail outlets due to the low business volume, inadequate banking facilities. The proper banking facilities are not available in the rural areas. Only 80% of markets are connected by the roads. Interior village roads get flooded during monsoon. And credit requirement of channel members, and the most and major problem facing to reach the rural consumers, that transports and communication facilities are not available for the rural market to reach the rural consumers. So these are the problems to reach the rural consumers. Here, to discuss the traditional methods or traditional distribution strategies for the rural market, the hats or melas, to reach the rural consumer to provide the products and services. Some branded products in hats, just like that, you can see in the picture to clear understanding. And in the melas, some companies install in melas. It's just like that. Here, the another traditional method of mobile trading. They're having their own bicycles, and if the branded companies, they own brand mobiles just like Colgate or some ice cream provide the on the mobile trading. So these are the traditional method for the rural markets. Here, some development of retailers in the rural market. There are some societies or some organizations working on. Here some cooperative societies are working for the development of the retailers. Public distribution system are there. Agriculture input dealers are available in the market. Potential villages, feeder market, or you can say the mandis are there. Post office and bank branches are there. So these are the societies working for development of retailers in the rural market. Here, some organizations working for emergence of the modern retail in rural areas. You just see in the pictures some organizations to take the modern retail in rural areas. The ITCs, Chaupal Sagar is just like that, and DSCL, Haryali Kisan Bazaar, and some of these Godrej Aadhar, Tata Kisan Sansar, and 3A Bazaar. These organizations available in the rural areas to emergence of modern retail in rural areas. So, overall these kind of strategies for the rural market. The rural markets and consumers are scattered over a wide geographical area. They, considering low income of consumers and low density of population, poor condition of roads, it becomes difficult to proper distribution strategies make in the rural areas or rural markets. They have to need improve for the distribution strategies for the rural markets. So it is all about the distribution strategies for rural market. The main finding to traditional method is the best way for the rural markets to reach the rural consumers. Thank you.